Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to get your Amazon account on hold. First, open your web browser. Now search for Amazon. Here, click on Amazon.com. After that, click on Account and Lists. From here, you can manage your profile. Now scroll down to the end and tap on Help. Here, tap on Something Else. Then tap on I Need More Help. After that, tap on Start Chatting Now. Here, click on Start a New Chat. As you can see, Amazon Customer Service has opened on our screen. Now type here, my account got hold, I want to off-hold it. Can you please check it and fix it? Then click on Send. Now read the information that they have sent you. Soon, your problem will be fixed. To learn more, check out their Regain Access to an Account on Hold help page. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.